Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Welcome to the Three Sheets Brewery, located in Port Elgin, Ontario. It's one of my favorite breweries that I visit quite often. If you're up for a drive, it's about 3 hours from Toronto. I highly recommend it. Today I got two of my favorite beers, Slight Delay IPA. It's a strong beer, 8% of alcohol. It will do wonders for you. Also, I got this Road Closure Red Ale, also on my top list. And this Angry Wiener, which I never tried before. So be interesting to taste it. Anyway, I'm gonna get going, go back home, try these out, and hopefully you guys will have the chance to experience this cool brewery whenever you have a chance. Come to Port Elgin. Bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more future content. Shift gears and cheers.